So we're just
Walking.
going for a walk. We're bored.
Harry.
And we're going for a walk because we don't know what else to do. Let's go get lost. Go skipping, Gem. Oh my god! That scared me to death. I almost dropped the camera.
Scary doggy.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
You were like running down the road. I was just like, ah!
Running down the hill.
There's a dog. It is gonna eat me. Not really. Time for the new edition of What's in Your Bag. Okay, so this is my bag. See how small it is? It's like nearly as big as my face. It is as big as my face. Anyway, what is in my bag? Let's have a look, shall we? Well, my video camera isn't there, but it's not anymore because I'm using that right now. What else is in my bag? Two packets of Polos, my phone, and my house keys somewhere in there.
Fresh breath. Into fresh.
Yeah. And there's my key. And that's what's in my bag. What's in your bag, Gemma?
I don't have one.
You suck.
I know. I have my iPod though.
What's in your pocket?
My phone and my iPod. There's the old factory, everybody. Ooh, it's haunted.
Is it?
I don't know. I'm making it up.
You're weird. But I like you.
Probably will be. They made pet food.
They made pet food in that factory.
Yeah. It's a cool factory.
What's it going to be haunted by? Lonely dogs looking for something to eat.
No, the fat old man.
Is he dead?
He's
Well, he can't haunt it if he's not dead.
He's in my story.
Okay, so there's a dead
A
man.
giant bag of fish food fell on him.
And crushed him.
Yeah.
And he had a little pet dog called...
Fufu.
Okay, so...
A fat old man got squished by pet food, and so did his dog Fufu.
Some say that you can hear the dog bark.
Woof woof.
Or a bird
Or a bird squealing.
Ooh. Look. So we're just up in the woods now.
Yes.
No jammers. It's very woody.
It's quite nice weather today.
Not really.
Well,
It's basically that weather that's really dull.
but warm.
It's not like warm. It's just like dull, warm, cold, but not raining.
It doesn't make you feel sad.
So, there's flies everywhere! Look at this amazing waterfall. This is what is near where we live. But this is what is here. Don't know. Anyway, that's it for today. We're Rocky. Now we're Pebble. And and I'm Rocky.
And I'm Pebble.
And we'll see you next time for
Another video.
Bye.